Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am so excited for today's video because we're going to be talking all about my October BOXYCHARM. This month's box is so good. I'm so excited to show you guys what's in this month's box. So if you guys want to see what's in my October BOXYCHARM, then just go ahead and keep watching. So as you can see, I'm without any makeup at the moment besides my brows. I have the Benefit Brow Cream Gel Brow Color in the shade 5, and I've just done my brows off of camera just to get them out of the way. But the first product that we are going to be using in this month's box is going to be a face product, like a prep step product, and there's actually no theme for this month's box, at least I don't think so. After dark, maybe? I'm not sure. This is what the little thing looks like. Anyway, the first product that I'm going to be using today is the Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm from Touch and Soul, and it is a skin balm, like I already said, and I'm really excited to put this on my face to prep it for makeup. So I really like the packaging on this little product right here, and it's got a really big lid and then the product right here. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take the product that's in the lid, just because there is some product in there. Oh, it's actually the top to it. So I didn't take off my rings before doing this. It smells really nice. I can't do this with my rings on, but one is stuck because that's where the product is. So let's see if we can maneuver this around it. I did it almost perfectly. Anyway, so I'm gonna apply this to my face, and as I apply it, we're gonna talk about what this product does. An ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin, creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. This also retails for $32. I've applied that and it feels really good. It's a little tacky right now, but I'm gonna let that sink into my skin while we go into the next product. So the next product is, I'm so excited to get this in this one's box because I've actually never tried anything from this brand, and I've always wanted to, but the palettes are pretty expensive, so I've never actually purchased them myself. So the next product that we got is the Dose of Colors Marvelous Mauves eyeshadow palette, and this is an all matte palette, and I'm so excited. This is what the little packaging looks like, and then on the inside looks pretty much exactly the same. It's a pretty shiny palette, and you get a little slip, like a little plastic slip, and then the shadows with a little brush. And I'm very excited to be using this in today's video. Before we do the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Eden. I'm just gonna go ahead and prep my lids with that. Okay, so now that I've got that primer set, I'm actually going to go ahead and take the little brush that it comes with. It's pretty small, so I don't know how much I'm going to be using this when I'm actually doing my eyeshadow, and I'm about to zoom you guys in as well, but I'm just going to go ahead and use this first shade and put this all over my crease. Not all over my crease, all over my lid. I already can tell you that I'm not going to use this brush because it's just really itty bitty and it's just really hard to use. But I will say something that I'm already noticing is the amount of fallout. I don't know if you could see that. It's just pretty dusty. So just keep that in mind when you're using these shadows, to dip in lightly and to tap off the excess before you go in and put it on your eyes. Okay, so now I've got my lid set. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so I can do a little tutorial with this palette. back, I put on some lashes. I've done my bronzer and my blush. We're actually gonna go in and do my under eyes in just a second, but before we do that, I just spritzed my face to melt everything down, and we're gonna go in with the next product quickly before my face completely sets. This is the next product that we got in this month's box, which is the Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter in the shade Cotton Candy, and I think it's gonna go perfect with this eye look, and we're gonna put this on my face. I don't know how this one's gonna do since it's a jelly. Oh, I don't think I like that. Yeah, okay, so we might have to just put this one on with our fingers, which I don't like. But, so it's kind of like a ColourPop jelly highlighter. I think it's pretty, I just don't prefer this method of applying highlighter when I can just use a brush and apply one, but I think it's beautiful. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Oh wow, this is very stunning. Wow. I'm gonna stick it on my inner corners. Whoa, that's intense. Okay, I love that. This retails for $26, and I didn't tell you the price of the palette, which was $32. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna zoom you guys back in to finish off the under eyes really quickly. It's gonna be super simple, but let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so right before I was going in to do my lower lash line, my camera died, and I had to go put it on the charger for a few minutes because not only one, not two, but all three of my batteries were dead. So I had to go put it on the charger for a few minutes, and while I was waiting, I just did my lower lash line. Before we go into the lower lash line, this is so beautiful. I die. I love it. So literally all I did for my lower lash line was I took this shade, put it on my lower lash line, this shade on my lower lash line, this shade on my lower lash line with a really small little pencil brush, just the one that came with the palette. So y'all, we're almost done. And so far I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. So last two products. The second to last product that I'm going to be using is the Janta Blue Dark Natural Lip Liner Pencil. And I'm just going to line my lips. This is just a nude liner. It's beautiful. I'm actually going to go ahead and fill in my lips with this pencil as well. Sorry if you can hear my sister and my mom in the background. My mom's FaceTiming my sister, and it seems like whenever she gets on the phone, she just likes to shout. So anyway, that Janta Blue lip liner was $5, so super inexpensive. And then the last product is the iconic London lip plumping gloss, which I hate lip plumping glosses with a fiery passion. This is in the shade Love Struck, and I'm gonna be applying this on my lips, and I am scared. This retails for $26. Oops, I just dropped it. It smells a bit minty. Oh, it's already tingling my lips. I'm scared. I don't like the applicator. It's a little too flimsy for me. Okay. That is the last and final product. I love this month's box. I think if I were to give one thing a meh, I don't like it that much, it would honestly be this palette. I really do like it. I don't like this color selection for me personally. These mauves are a little too cool toned where they kind of like make me look a little bit dead. And I also think because of the fallout on these shadows, they're almost a little bit hard to blend. Like they kind of go everywhere when you're blending them out on your eyes. I experienced a little bit of that, and I tapped them off and everything. They were just flying kind of all over the place. But I still like it, and I'm still going to use it, especially for bridal looks. I think this is really pretty. But everything else I loved. I was super impressed with this highlighter. I kind of got annoyed when I had to use my finger, but I love the way this looks on the skin. Like, it looks wet. It's so beautiful, and I'm so excited to keep using this. It's actually not too dark for me, which, thank you God. I am so excited that it's not too dark for me. But anyway, yeah, it's super beautiful. You can't even really see it. It's almost got like one of those where you can't really see it from the front, and then bam, it's right there. Beautiful, love it. This isn't bad at all. It's a little bit minty, but it's not bad. I really like this, and I really like the lip liner as well. I really like the color. I don't think it necessarily goes with the eyes. My lash is coming up. Please hold. I don't necessarily think it goes with the eyes because the eyes are super cool toned, but I like it a lot. I'm also super impressed with the glassy skin balm because I was nervous when it said super hydrating that it was just gonna be too much on my skin type, but it actually wasn't bad at all. Sunk into my skin, and I think my skin looks really good and it was prepped very well. So let me do the math really quickly on this box. So the overall value of this month's box is $126, which is amazing because you only pay $21 for the box. So even if you only like one product, it's most likely going to be over $21. And then you have all these other products. I know for me, when I was first starting out in makeup and when I was first wanting to kind of get a collection of makeup, this is such a good way to try new products and to pay a super low price for as much makeup as you get per month. I just love it. I think this is one of the best boxes we've ever gotten, and I highly recommend BOXYCHARM if you guys are wanting to try out anything like a subscription box or anything. I think this is the way to go. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like how this look turned out. And if you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up before you leave. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And once you have subscribed, please make sure to turn on the little bell notification down below after you subscribed, and that will notify you anytime that I upload. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.